Want to install KeePassXC on Windows 11? KeePassXC is a free and open-source password manager that helps you securely store passwords, usernames, and other sensitive information inside an encrypted database. In this guide, I'll show you how to install KeePassXC step by step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official KeePassXC website. From the homepage, open the Download section to find the latest version available for Windows. Next, select the Windows Download option and download the latest KeePassXC installer. Choosing the correct installer for your system helps ensure a smooth installation. Once the download is complete, open the installer from your Downloads folder. If Windows displays a security prompt, review it and allow the installer to continue. Then accept the license agreement and click Next. Now review the installation options. You can choose where to install KeePassXC and whether to create shortcuts. For most users, the default options work perfectly. When you're ready, click Install and wait for the installation to finish. After the installation is complete, click Finish to launch KeePassXC. On the first launch, you can create a new password database or open an existing one. If you're new to KeePassXC, choose Create a new database and follow the setup instructions. And that's how to install KeePassXC. Once the installation is complete, you can create an encrypted password database and securely manage your login information from one convenient application. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.